This conference will now be recorded.
Hello guys, very good evening for all. I hope you all are well and doing good. So guys, am I audible for all properly? Is also my screen visible for you? Kindly confirm. So guys, in the last session, we have discussed and completed the sales process. If you guys have practice for that and have any doubt or query, you can ask. All right, guys, now let's move on to the next topic. The next topic comes up here are few options like zero value voucher, actual billed quantity column, separate discount column, and credit limit. These are some small options. Let's see with the example how we have to do that. The first option is if I talk about the zero value voucher means if any product does not have rate, we have to activate this option to pass that entry. For example, see the first point. On 1st of the July, company purchased 10 box of dairy milk chocolate at 100 rupees per box from Gizzy store, where we got 10 pieces Kit Kat free with this product. Means we are purchasing the 10 box dairy milk chocolate at 100 rupees per box rate. With this product, we are getting Kit Kat as free of cost. So KitKat does not have any rate. If we pass any kind of purchase or sale entry and does not fill the rate in that, the voucher will not accept and save that entry. Let me show you. Suppose I am in the purchase voucher and here we are going to pass a entry of purchase and putting a stock item, filling the quantity but does not filling the rate. Okay, so in this the rate is not given, let's suppose. So if I want to save this entry, you will see the error is coming, no entries in voucher. We cannot save this transaction entry without putting the rate. But if we activate the zero value voucher option, after that we can pass the entries with the items which does not have the rate. And why we have need to pass these kind of transaction entry? Just for similar like these examples, if we are getting any free product, we can use that zero value voucher to pass these kind of transactions. Is that clear, guys, till this point? What is zero value voucher and why we have need of that option? If you want to make the note for that, I am writing a definition for you. You can note it. When items does not have rate or price, then to save these items, sale or purchase entry, we have to activate zero value voucher option. You can note this definition for your convenience. Step 1, basically how we have to activate that option, it is very simple. Step 1, you have to go into the alter option. Then here, click on the voucher types. So step 1, go to alter, voucher type, select the voucher in which you are going to use that item entry. I am going to use that entry in the purchase, so I will click on the purchase, then select any voucher. After that, you have to activate this option, allow zero value transaction. Step 2, activate below option. Option is allow zero valued transactions. This option you guys have to activate. Repeating once again, to activate the zero value voucher option, go to alter, select voucher type, then here select the voucher in which you are passing the zero rate item entry. We are going to pass in the purchase, so we will click, select the purchase voucher, then activate this option, allow zero valued transactions. That's it. You can note this point, guys, for the zero value voucher. When you done, then let me know. After doing this, just press Ctrl A to save it. Now we can pass the transaction entry, but first we need to create a stock items which we are going to use in this transaction. The first transaction item is dairy milk chocolate. So go for the create option, stock item. As because the groups and categories are not available for this, we can skip the groups and categories. They are not mandatory. But we have to select the unit. The unit for the item is in box. So we have to click on the create and create a unit by the name box. And that's it. Save that. Next is KitKat. KitKat is in pieces. Also create the ledger account of the creditor. Creditor is Gizzy Store. It will go under the sundry creditors and save that. Now we can go for the purchase voucher and pass the entry. The date is 1st July. Voucher number is given here. The bill number. As guys you are seeing, we are passing this entry directly in the purchase voucher, purchase bill. Okay, purchase because there is no detail given for the purchase order, receipt note, and rejection. We do those things only when the details are given to us. If the details are not given, if we are directly making the purchase entry, directly purchasing the item without any order, we have to pass that entry in the purchase voucher directly. Then in the party account, select the party, Gizzy Store. As there is no order, so there is no receipt, we don't have any need to select the tracking number. We can skip that. Select the item dairy milk chocolate. No need to select the tracking number, no need to select the order number there because there is nothing. Go down we can select as per our need. Let's select the go down which we have. Dairy milk we are purchasing 10 box at 100 rupees. In the next, select the item which you are getting at free of cost. Select the location, put the quantity. Do not put the rate because it is free of cost item. That's it. Press enter and save this. In the narration, you can say being goods purchased and KitKat received as free item. So this is how, guys, a zero value voucher option can be used in a purchase or in a sale transaction. The same thing we can do for sale if we are selling any product free of cost. Save this entry by Control A. If you check this entry in the daybook, you will find the same 10 box and 10 pieces KitKat without any rate. You can check the profit and loss or the stock summary. Here you can see Dairy Milk chocolate rate is coming and the quantity as well under the invert option. KitKat also coming in the invert, but rate is not coming because that product was free. So guys, is this entry clear for all? Nothing we have done. We have only activated the zero value option. After that, we have passed our required entry in the purchase voucher. Then selected the items and provide the rate if they are available or if they are not available. That's it. Is that clear for all? Do you have any doubt query? All right, now let's move on to the next. The next is actual and build quantity columns. This feature we use when we have any differentiation between our actual quantities and the build quantities of any item. For example, look at the second point. On 1st of the July, company purchased the 10 pieces of 64 GB pen drive at this rate from Mehta Tech, where scheme is available that buy one get one free. So basically on this pen drive product, we have a scheme of buy one get one. So our actual quantity which we will receive was 20 pieces for this item, and we will make the bill and pay only for the 10 pieces. So this is called the actual and billed quantity. Whenever we have any difference between the actual quantities and the billed quantities, then we have to use this option. Is there, guys, any need to write the definition? Or you can make your own as per your need. So let's see how we have to activate that option. Basically, from the gateway of Tally of the Tally screen, go for the company features. By pressing F11, you can go and here activate this one. Use the separate actual and build quantity columns. This option will be activated. I am highlighting the option. You guys can note. Just come in the company features by pressing F11 from the keyboard in Tally software. Then activate this option. Please note this. When you done, then let me know. All right, guys, now let's see how we have to use this in the voucher entry. So we have to pass this voucher entry. Go for the create option first. Let's create the items and the ledgers. The item name is 64 GB pen drive. No group and no categories available here, so we can skip. The unit is in pieces. Then also create the ledger account. The ledger is Mehta Tech. Creditor it will be, save that. Now simply go for the purchase voucher. You can see in the purchase voucher, quantity column is divided and separated into two parts, actual and billed. That's the thing which that option will do. So pass the entry, put the rate, date 1st July. Invoice number is this one given here. Select the party account. Select the product. Now put the actual quantity which we are receiving. So we are purchasing 10 pieces. Buy one get one is the offer. So we will receive total 20 pieces, and the billed quantity we will pay only for 10 pieces. So in the actual 20 pieces will go, in the billed 10 pieces will go. The rate you can put here 450, and that's it. After putting that, Just press enter and it's done. So guys, is this voucher entry clear for all? The actual and build quantity columns. All right, then simply save that by control. Now let's see the next. The next is separate discount column. Sometimes guys, we also provide the discount for the products or receive the discount in the sale. So we have to use this option. For example, on 1st July, company purchased 5 pieces keyboard, 8 pieces mouse from Mehta Tech, where we got a trade discount 5% off on each product. So here is basically 5% off on the each product. So we simply have to activate the discount column. After that, we will get a discount column separated in the vouchers. How we have to activate that? It is very simple. Go for the company features by pressing F11 and activate this one. Use a discount column in invoices. Make this option yes and save this. Kindly note the option use discount column in invoices. We have to activate for the discount column. After this, simply save that. Now also create the stock items, keyboard and mouse as well. Go for the create stock item, keyboard, unit is in pieces, then mouse, unit is in pieces. Then if you go for the purchase voucher, you can see a discount column is coming here where we can put the discount. The date is 1st July. Invoice number is given here like this. We can put that. Party is Mehta Tech. Select the items keyboard. Pull the quantity. It is 5 pieces. Rate is 500 for each. In this discount percentage, we can put the discount. It is 5% off on all product. You will see whatever percentage you will put here, the discount will get less from the amount of automatically. That's it. Same thing do for the mouse. Quantity is 8 pieces and the rate is 350 per piece. 5% off as well. And that's it, guys. This is how you can easily use the discount column and put the discount percentages in the voucher entries accordingly. So is that clear for all, guys? All right, then save that and let's move on to the next. The next is credit limit. Basically, we can assign a credit limit on our debtors or the customers so that we can sell the items on the credit basis according to the limit. You can see example on 2nd of the July, company sold 2 box dairy milk, 3 pieces pen drive, 1 piece keyboard, 2 pieces mouse to Mohan, and company decided to set a credit limit on Mohan of rupees 10,000. So how we can assign the credit limit on the debtor ledger? It is very simple. Just go for the ledger creation, create the ledger. Mohan will be our sundry debtors because we are selling. Then click on the more details option or press Ctrl I. Here you will find the option by the name credit limit. Simply press enter and fill the amount whatever limit you are assigning. We are assigning limit of 10,000, so put that, and that's it. After this, nothing we have to do, just save this by Ctrl A. Repeating once again, when we create the ledger or alter the ledger of the debtors, to assign the credit limit, click on more details option or press Ctrl I. Then select the credit limit option and fill the amount of the limit as per need. After putting that, press Ctrl A to save it. Is that clear, guys, how we have to assign the credit limit? All right. Now let's pass the sale entry. Go for the sale voucher. The date is 2nd July. Invoice number is given here. Select the party, Mohan. You will see the credit limit amount is showing up here. Select the items, dairy milk, 2 boxes at 150. There is no discount, so we will skip the discount column. Then pen drive, 3 pieces at the rate 500. Then keyboard, 1 piece at the rate 550. Then mouse, 2 pieces at the rate 400. Simply save this transaction. It will get saved. Basically, the reason for assigning the credit limit is we cannot sell the entry. Basically, we cannot sell the products to the customer greater than 10,000 value. If you want to try, you can see over the 2nd July. I am passing this another entry for the Mohan. You will see here and notice the current balance for the Mohan is this, which we have to receive. Means basically this item's value we have already sold to this party. The credit limit is 10,000. The difference is basically we can sell also on the credit basis. So let's suppose I am selling a product which value is more than this credit limit. Okay. Now, if you want to save this transaction entry, you will see an error that credit limit of Mohan is 10,000. It is exceeding now. So basically, we cannot pass the sale entry greater than the credit limit amount for the debtors. This is why we can use the credit limit for the debtors. So guys, is this also clear for all, the credit limit feature? All right, great. So guys, this is now for you. The fifth point you all have to pass. Please pass this entry of the fifth transaction in your PC. Activate the options as per the need. When you're done with the fifth point, then let me know. You can easily identify we are purchasing these items, so we have to use the purchase invoice voucher. Where is the Gizi store is available here? In the fifth point, there is no Gizi store. We are purchasing the product from Tara Softwares. So Tara Software will be our creditor if we are purchasing. Why you are passing the first point? I have told you to pass the fifth point only. The other transactions you have to do in your homework practice. All right, guys, then others you have to do practice for. If you guys have still any doubt query left, you can ask. Sure, I will do that fifth point tomorrow. So guys, then see you in the next session. Bye bye, take care. Please don't forget to the practice for the day 9 PDF.